Please like and subscribe to my dad's channel.
Just got these in, and I'm using them to replace the regular light bulbs in my son's room. So he's switching out this bulb. Let me see how many. He has two of these. They're just not bright enough. It's 2 wattage on these. Anyway, so these are the ones he uses, and he's not happy with them. He has 2 of them. So I'm going to switch out these for these. I saw them online. I thought, wow, what a great idea, LED lights and bulbs. I have the strip that you pull out and you stick to the wall, and I like the way they work. These are actual LED light bulbs. Supposed to last a really long time. I think the website says, according to the Amazon webpage, it's supposed to be 50,000 hours. That should be a pretty long time. Let me put on gloves. That's a lot of LEDs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these things. It's supposed to be equivalent of usage 40 watts. And it's supposed to be equivalent to a 450 watt bulb. Pretty cool. Let me measure it quickly. Just in case you have limited space on where it can go. Four and a half. Thickness. 1/8. Pretty cool. I like it. It looks like there's a lot of cabling in there. It's pretty cool. For the heck of it, there's 2 of them. Let's just wait. Pretty cool. And again, there's 2 of them. Same thing. Again, let me just do a close-up look. Maybe you're one of those people that like to count the amount of LEDs that are there. So I'll hold this steady for a second. And then I'm assuming all of these are the same. So if I'm hold it this way, you should have the same LED little lights all over. That's it. Okay. It's daylight outside, but it's pretty dark in the room, as you can see. So let me just turn on the light with the light bulbs that we're currently using. This is the light. This is the normal light, and he says it's too dark, so he wants it brighter. Let me see if we can get this room brighter. Wow, what a difference it made with the light. It is super bright in here, super, super bright. I'm gonna get his reaction and record his what does he think about the light, since it's going to be for his room. These are the 2 bulbs. I'm using both bulbs in a lamp in the mounted to the ceiling. Using both bulbs. It's completely dark outside. The sun set already, and this is how much light I'm getting in the room. So the ultimate person that this affects is my son. Son, what do you think about the light?
I love the light.
Is enough light, you think?
There's enough light in here.
Okay. Are you very happy?
I'm very happy. I walked in, I saw it, and I loved it.
So when you came in last night,
I was like, why is it so bright in here? That's exactly what I said to myself as I'm walking in.
it's like, what, you thought the lights got better?
I thought the lights got better, and then I realized that they were different.
Okay. So you're happy, thumbs up?
I'm thumbs up.
You can see everything around, right?
You can see everything.
Okay, great. All right. So it's a thumbs up for my son, which the lights are for his room. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.